second piece students. So yesterday what did we learn? Concept, introduction of application of integrations, introduction. Okay, so today go to the problems. Let us go to the problems. First one, find the area enclosed by the circle. Find the important, find the area enclosed by the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square. First curve. The curve is the circle already given. Circle curve. So what is the diagram of circle? Circle. This is the diagram of circle. 0. The circle radius A. This is radius A. This is x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. So this point A comma 0 fixed. In first quadrant the circle, the center 0 0 and radius A square means A, radius A. So the limits 0 to A. Limits 0 to A is only first quadrant area. First quadrant area. In the circle, the four quadrants, the four parts are symmetrical or equal. Four parts equal. Okay na? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four parts equal. So only limits 0 to A. So area. So what is the given that solution? The given curve x square plus y square is equal to a square. Y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to plus or minus root of a square minus x square. Okay, so area A is equal to integral limits 0 to A 4 into 0 to A. Okay, 4 into 0 to A means 4 into 0 to A. Okay, 4 into 0 to A. why 4? 4 parts. 4 parts. So 4. E limits is only first part limits. So the 4 parts symmetrical or equal. So 4 into 0 to A. Y dx. This is given. Curve is x square plus y square is equal to a square. In x square plus y square equal to a square is converted into or reduced into this term. Y is equal to, because integral a to b y dx. Okay. So that is equal to 4 into integral 0 to a. Y is equal to a square minus x square dx. So direct formula. What direct formula? Integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to formula x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a by 2 into sin inverse x by a. This is the integration formula. Okay na? Integration formula. So that is equal to, okay na, 4 into integral 0 to What is the root of a square minus x square formula? Direct formula. 4 into x by 2 into root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a over the limits 0 to a. So first 4 into big bracket, next small bracket. First apply the upper limit. First apply the upper limit. So a by 2 into root of a square minus a square, because x is equal to a, plus a square by 2 into sin inverse a by a, because x equal to a. Next lower limit 0 by 2 into root of a square minus 0 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse 0 by a. This is the lower limit. So that is equal to 4 into a square 0 root 0 0 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of a by a is equal to 1 minus 0 by 2 is equal to 0. 0 into anything 0. 0 by a is equal to 0. Sin inverse 0 0. So 4 into a square by 2 into sin inverse. Sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 is equal to sin 90. Sin inverse of 0 is equal to sin 0. Sin 0 0. So sin cancel. 4 into a square by 2 into pi by 2. 2 2's 4 cancel. So area of circle A is equal to pi a square. First point, main point to circle equation is converted into y is equal to something. Any circle or ellipse or any type of curve, first we have to reduce into y is equal to something. That integration. This is the direct formula in integration. What is the formula? This is the formula. So first formula direct the answer. Apply the first upper limit in x. X బదులు x is equal to a. Next x is equal to 0. Pi a square. Okay. What is the formula of what is the area of the circle formula? Pi a square. Area of the circle is equal to pi a square. Here a is the radius of the circle. A is the radius of the circle. Okay. Next one. Example 1 completed. Example 2. Find area enclosed by the ellipse. Enclosed by the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square. ellipse. Ellipse is the shape of 0. This is A. Here the same like a circle, the four parts are symmetrical or equal. Symmetrical or equal. So 0 to A. So first to x square by solution given x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 no. So that implies y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So a square minus x square by 1 minus 2 LCM. So that implies y is equal to y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square y square. B square goes to right side. So y is equal to plus or minus b by a into root of a square minus x square. Same integration. Okay. Area A is equal to 4 into means 4 parts. 4 into 0 to A. Y dx is equal to 4 into integral 0 to A. Y dx is equal to b by a into root of a square minus x square dx. So that is equal to 4 into b by a, 4 constant to b by a constant to. So b by a into integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. So direct formula. What is the formula? That is equal to 4 into b by a into what x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a limits 0 to a. That is equal to 4 into b by a. First upper limit. Upper limit means a by 2 into root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse a by a. This is upper limit minus lower limit to 0. That is equal to 4 into b by a into a square minus a square is equal to 0. Root of a square is equal to 0 plus a square by 2 into sin inverse 1 no. So that is equal to 4b by a into a square by 2 into sin inverse 1 is equal to 90 degrees. Sin inverse 190 degrees means 1 to cancel 1a. So equal to pi ab. So area of ellipse equal to pi ab. This is the formula, very important formula. The area of the ellipse is pi ab. Area of the circle is pi a square. These are very important problems. Okay now. So maximum 2 problems very important. 5 it comes 5 marks question. Okay, next. Find the area of the region bounded by the for y square is equal to x. So exercise 8.1. No. Exercise 8.1. First one. No. Find the area enclosed by the curve y square is equal to x. So given curve y square is equal to x. So y square is equal to x. And the lines x is equal to 1 and the lines x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4, x axis. So in the first quadrant, and the x is equal to 1, no? X is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 4 and x axis. So in the first quadrant, this is the problem. Find the area of the curve enclosed by the y square is equal to x. This is given curve and x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 and x axis. So the curve is x axis, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, y square 4x. The four combined area, the four curves combined area. Actually this is y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. This is the parabola, first parabola. Y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to 4x. What is the y square is equal to 4x parabola? This is the y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Right side y square is equal to minus 4x left side. Okay. So y square is equal to 4ax or y square is equal to x. 4a is equal to 1. That is meanings. Okay. So this is the x axis, y axis. The center 0, 0. The first first x axis, x axis. Next x is equal to 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and go. X is equal to 1. No. X is equal to 1 means so parallel to y axis. So okay, parallel to y axis. So other y is equal to 1 means so parallel to x axis. Oh, big graph. This one. Okay, x, y, x axis. This is x is equal to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x is equal to 4. X is equal to 1, no? Parallel to x axis. So and y square equal to 4x, the parabola. X is equal to 1, no? X is equal to 4 and x axis. What is the area? This is the area. Up to this, not this one, because the starting from x is equal to 1, ending to x is up to x is equal to 4. This is what is the another condition given. What another condition in the first quadrant? In the first quadrant means only 1, 2, 2. So y square is equal to x. So y is equal to what? Root x, because of integral y dx. Y dx means what? Y is equal to root x. So area A is equal to integral 1 to 4 y dx. That is equal to integral 1 to 4 y is equal to root x. Root x को integration root x is equal to x power 1 by 2. Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, no, plus c. So x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1, no. 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 over the limits 1 to 4. 2 by 3 common. 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2. So 4 power 3 by 2 is equal to 8 minus 1. So that is equal to 14 by 3. That is equal to 14 by 3. This is the answer. 4 power 3 by 2 value. 4 power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 square whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel, equal to 8. 4 power 3 by 2 is equal to 8. 1 power 3 by 2, 1 power anything is equal to 1. No. So what is the last answer? A is equal to 14 by 3. Okay, this one. All are important problems, so simple one. Second problem, homework. In second problem, y square is equal to 9x. Y square is equal to 9x. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, and x axis first quadrant. First quadrant. This is the homework. Same. Y square is equal to x, y square is equal to 9x. Same. Diagram same. What is the difference? 1 to 4 bother 2 to 4. Same as it is. We will try. Okay, second problem we will try. Otherwise you will see solutions, each chapter solution PDF. Okay, I did send every Sunday. PDF. PDF means what? Test book chapter. Yesterday one PDF I did send two PDFs. The first PDF is application of integration test book chapter. Test book first one. No. Second one integrals. So solutions of integrals, and each and every one in our exercise, textbook exercise, each and every problem solution. So you have any doubt or homework doubt or any doubt means so you can see PDF every Sunday. Okay, PDF is nothing but a textbook and each and every problem solution in our chapter. This is the meaning of PDF. Okay, this is homework. You will do own or next. Second one completed. Next, third one, find the area region bounded by. Find the area region bounded by x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 4. On the y axis. First quadrant. In the first quadrant. What is the curve? X square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to 4y solution. Given curve x square is equal to 4y. Y square is equal to 4x means x along the x-axis curve. That means right side. This is x square is equal to 4y means this is the up side. This is the curve. So this is the x-axis, y-axis 0. So y is equal to 2, x is equal to a means parallel to y-axis, y is equal to a means parallel to x-axis. This is 0, 1, 2. This is y is equal to 2. This is y is equal to 4. So parabola y is equal to 2 curve, y is equal to 4 curve and y-axis means the total area, the area. The area. So the area and first quadrant. What is the meaning of first quadrant? This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant means what? Only this is the, we have to find out the area. So we have to find out the area. What is the limits? 2 to 4. Limits 2 to 4. X is equal to y square means x is equal to root 4y. That is equal to 2 root y. So here area formula not y dx. Area is equal to integral y dx. It is not correct y dx. So because of this here, this is the curve. The curve is along the y axis are clearly given along the y axis, or y values are given. X values are given means integral y dx. Y values are given means reverse x dy. So x dy. So limits 2 to 4. So integral 2 to 4 x is equal to what? 2 root y dy. That is equal to 2 into integral 2 to 4 y power 1 by 2 dy. Y power 1 by dy. So 2 into this is 1 plus n plus 1, 3 by 2. 2 by 3 into y power 3 by 2 over the limits 2 to 4. This is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into, apply the upper limit to 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit 2 power 3 by 2. So 4 by 3 into 2 power 8, 8 minus 2 root 2. 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 power 1 plus 1 by 2 means a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. 2 into 2 power 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 root 2. So or multiply 32 by 3 minus this one. Okay na? 2 root 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 root 2. 4 power 3 by 2 is already explained. 2 square 2 to cancel 8. 8 minus 2 root 3. This is the second type of parabola problems. X dy difference. Okay, we have to observe the difference. Next, Okay, today only depending on circles, ellipse, parabola problems, direct problems. Tomorrow some more indirect problems. Okay, some more important models. So thank you.